Hello everyone, today I have an Hermès makeup unboxing, So go ahead, hit that like button if that's something that you're interested in, and go ahead and keep on watching till the end of the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So for my Hermès makeup unboxing, I have a lipstick that I would like to unbox, and I also have about 4 shades of my regular go-to lipsticks that I wear all the time, that in the end I wanted to go ahead and do some swatches and we could compare my new Hermès lipstick to. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So here is the lipstick right here, and this is how it came in the box, and the color is Rose Epice. So the color is Rose Epice, and I first decided that I wanted to go ahead and try this lipstick from watching the Fabulous Irene's channel. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and unbox this lipstick. So this is the package that it came in, and you guys know I'm a lipstick girl. I love lipstick. I like red lipstick very, very much, and pinks and other colors as well. So I saw this on Fabulous Irene's channel, the Hermès lipstick, and I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it, you guys, for the first time, trying my Hermès lipstick. And I'm gonna kind of look at it compared to some of my other lipsticks in my lipstick collection. So this is how it came right here in the box. And it's a beautiful box. The packaging is really, really cute. And it has the little drawer. So cute, you guys, with the drawer. That is just so cute for display, to go ahead and use it for display. And then the next thing is it came with the dust cover with the little lipstick cover pouch. So it comes in a nice little like canvas dust cover pouch. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the lipstick out. And so this is what the tube looks like. And it's very beautiful. Has like a gold bottom and then black and white. It's very, very beautiful. And this is what it looks like. And I'm so happy to be trying this Hermès lipstick, you guys. So it is in the color Rose Epice. I'm not sure, I think that's the proper way to pronounce this. But that's it right there. And the color is the shade 21. So it's in the shade 21. And what I like about it is I love when you get a lipstick when the makeup cap on the lipstick tube is magnetic. So you guys know the Hermès has the magnetic lipstick tube, and this is what it looks like right here. It's a beautiful color. I chose color 21. So this is the color right here. That's what it looks like. It's a beautiful color, you guys. And then it says Hermès. It has it etched in the lipstick. So that's what it looks like right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this lipstick out, and then we're gonna swatch it, because you guys can see I don't have any lipstick on today, and you know I'm a lipstick girl. And then we're gonna go ahead and swatch it and swatch some of my other lipsticks that I like, and we'll see how it compares to that one. So yeah, you guys, let me go ahead. I don't want to blind you with my mirror, but let me go ahead and put this on really, really quickly. Okay, so it's a satin lipstick and it's gliding on pretty well. It's a pretty color. It's not red, the color that I chose. It's not red, but it's gliding on pretty nicely. And it's nice and satiny. Just a few more minutes, you guys. Okay. So this is this is what it looks like. And I think it's pretty nice. I like it. So yeah, you guys, this is the lovely color 21, and I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. Let me go ahead and swatch this beautiful Hermès lipstick for you guys. And we're gonna swatch the Hermès one first, and I'm right-handed and I'm doing this with my left hand, so I hope it comes out okay, you guys. So this is the Hermès That's the beautiful color right there of the Hermès. And another color that I enjoy wearing, you guys know, I always tell you guys all the time that I really enjoyed the O'Malley Marc Jacobs, color lipstick. So this is the O'Malley. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one next to the Hermès, the Marc Jacobs. That's that one right there. And then the next one that I'm going to go ahead and swatch is some Pat McGrath. And this is in the color Flesh. This is Pat McGrath in the color Flesh. So this is what that one looks like. And I love this color as well. These are all different variation of like darker colors and darker hues of red. And then the next one, I wear this one all the time. I talk about the MAC Effortless. MAC Effortless. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. That's what that one looks like. And then the last and final one that I'm gonna swatch in comparison with the Hermès, you guys, is the Christian Louboutin Rouge, my Christian Louboutin Rouge. That's that one. And we'll go ahead and swatch that one. So yeah, you guys, so these are the different colors right here. So this is the Hermès in my new shade, number 21. And that's the one that I'm wearing right now. And then this is the O'Malley Marc Jacobs right here. That's the O'Malley Marc Jacobs. Next, we have the Pat McGrath in Flesh. This is the Pat McGrath in Flesh right here. Next, we have the MAC Effortless. The MAC Effortless right there. And then we have the Christian Louboutin in Rouge. The Christian Louboutin is the last one right there in Rouge. And so this is my new Hermès. I think I'm going to enjoy this one as well. It's not a red, but it's a nice, beautiful color, you guys. A nice, beautiful, dark color. And that's it right there. And I think I'm going to enjoy it, you guys. So thank you for sticking it out with me for my new Hermès makeup beauty item, my new Hermès lipstick, you guys. And what I think I'm going to love so much is the fact that it's satiny, soft, and very moisturizing. And this box is just so adorably cute. This box is just so adorably cute, you guys. And it's a slide-in drawer. So I'm going to enjoy this new beauty item in my lipstick collection, you guys.